Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix when you're opening the Instagram app. So at that time you're facing this type of error, Instagram required feedback, as you can see guys in my screen. So let's see how to fix this irritating problem. So when you're facing this type of problem, first you need to restart your phone. After restarting, hopefully this will helps you to fix your problem. Still, in case you're facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to switch your internet connection. So for example, if you are using mobile data, you need to switch your mobile internet connection to Wi-Fi. If you are using Wi-Fi, you need to switch your internet to mobile data. So after doing this guys, this will helps you to fix your problem. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to update your Instagram app. To update the app, open the Google Play Store on your phone and here simply search Instagram, and if the app update is available, just you need to update the app. After updating, it will fix your problem. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to check the Instagram server. So wait for few minutes. After then, now you can open the Instagram app. It will work fine on your phone. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem regularly, now you need to open your phone settings, scroll down and find out apps like this. In the apps, you need to find out the Instagram. Scroll down and find out the Instagram app, open it, and here you need to go to storage, clear the caches and clear the data of this app. So remember one thing guys, if you are clearing the app data, it will lost everything from your Instagram account. It will log out your account and it will reset the settings of your app. So do it on your own risk. After doing this guys, restart your phone one more time. After restarting, open the app. Now it will fix your problem. So these are the easy and simple solutions to fix this problem. So that's it for today guys, the short simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.